Welcome. In today's video, I will be explaining to you why you had it all wrong about posture. Most people think they have it all figured out when it comes to posture. Simply straighten your back, right? Not quite. There is much, and I mean much more to it. So let's not waste any more time and jump straight into it. When you look at these pictures, which would you say is correct posture? The left or the right? If you said the right, then you are wrong. If you said the left, then you are also wrong. This was a small trick, as they are both wrong. The reason why is because of the rib cage. The rib cage is a big factor in everything. We all know about forward head posture, but have you heard of forward rib posture? Probably not. At least I haven't before learning about this. Look at it like this. Your posture is basically a distribution of your weight, and this distribution has to be even and balanced. If one small part is out of position, then it will cause everything to be out of position slightly. It is basically a domino effect with how fast your posture can be worsened. If your feet are uneven, then your hips will be uneven, which causes your shoulders to be uneven, which then causes your jaw to be uneven. I think you may be understanding by now that everything plays a huge role. This is exactly what we are looking for. Let's look at an example. Here we see a case of forward head posture. But what do we also see? A case of forward rib posture. This causes the distribution in weight to be completely off, making some muscles work harder than others. This causes tightness in uneven places, and this is where many problems come from. Problems like asymmetry, back pain, neck pain, any pain or uncomfortableness basically. So you may be thinking, do I have good or bad posture? A simple way to test this is by standing up, holding up your arms out in front of you, as if you were holding a stick with both of your hands. Next, to try to stand only on your heels, the back part of your foot. Lift the front of your feet off from the ground and try standing only on your heels. You may find that this is quite challenging. You can slightly step forwards and backwards on your heels to help your balance. A lot of postural improvements are found by yourself. Try slightly adjusting your posture, maybe pushing your hips slightly forward, straightening your lower back, or pulling your head slightly back. Experiment and analyze. Take a video or a picture of your posture and observe your habits. Observe and analyze your posture. What do you notice? Write these things down and improve them. Try becoming more aware of your habits. When you go to pick up an object from the ground, how do you do it? Do you first bend your upper back, or do you slightly squat down? Like I said, improving posture takes careful analyzation. There are many different ways to go about this, many of which I talk about in my premium full and detailed guides in my Discord server. You can also get instant access to me and my personal coaching if you'd like. Check out the first link in the description if you wish to learn more about this topic, and please comment and like if you'd like me to make more videos about posture. I will gladly do so. Until then, make sure to join my free Discord server to start improving. Thank you for watching.